हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू इजी लीगल लॉ। हम देख रहे हैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लॉ। अब देखते हैं आगे के कॉन्सेप्ट्स। राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन, इसको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में आरटीआई भी कहते हैं। ट्रांसपेरेंसी एंड राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन। मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंसी: ट्रांसपेरेंसी इज गवर्नेंस, मीन्स openness, accountability and accessibility of government decisions, policies and processes to the public. It reduces secrecy, prevents corruption and builds citizen trust in administration. Transparency is a key feature of good governance and rule of law. Right to information, RTI. RTI is the legal right of citizen to access information held by public authorities. Based on principle, government is not the master but the servant of the people. Right to Information Act 2005. Object of the act: to promote transparency and accountability in the working of every public authority, to empower citizens to seek information from government, reducing corruption, to make government more responsive, participatory and democratic, to operationalize the fundamental right under Article 19(1)(a), freedom of speech and expression. Application of the act applies to central, state and local governments. All public authorities includes ministries, department, PSUs, statutory bodies and government funded NGOs. Excludes intelligence and security organizations like RAW, IB, DRDO, except in corruption or human right matters. Private bodies not substantially funded, controlled by गवर्नमेंट. जो प्राइवेट बॉडीज है या फिर कोई इंटेलिजेंस और सिक्योरिटी बॉडी है वो आरटीआई के अंडर नहीं आते हैं. की डेफिनेशंस क्या है इसमें आरटीआई एक्ट में? इंफॉर्मेशन: एनी मटेरियल इन एनी फॉर्म इंक्लूडिंग रिकॉर्ड्स, डॉक्यूमेंट्स, मेमोज, ईमेल, ओपिनियंस, एडवाइस, प्रेस रिलीज, सर्कुलर्स, ऑर्डर्स, लॉगबुक्स, रिपोर्ट्स, सैंपल्स, मॉडल्स, डाटा एक्सेट्रा. ये सारे इंफॉर्मेशन के डेफिनेशन में आते हैं. राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन की क्या डेफिनेशन है एक्ट में? राइट टू एक्सेस इंफॉर्मेशन हेल्ड बाय और अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ एनी पब्लिक अथॉरिटी. पब्लिक अथॉरिटी को डिफाइन किया गया है: एनी अथॉरिटी, बॉडी और इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट एस्टेब्लिश्ड और कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड बाय कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, लॉ ऑफ पार्लियामेंट और स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर. Notification or order of government includes ministries, public sector undertakings, local bodies, NGOs, substantially financed. Next concept है record. Record includes any document, manuscript, file, microfilm, video, electronic form. Silent features of act क्या है? Right to information. Every citizen has right to request information. Time bound response: information to be given within 30 days. In case of life and liberty, 48 hours. Public information officers: every public authority must designate PIOs to provide information. Proactive disclosure: public authorities must publish certain categories of information suo motu. Example: budget, policies, function. Exemption: section 8. No disclosure of information affecting sovereignty, security, strategic interest, parliamentary privilege or personal privacy unless larger public interest demands. Appeals: two-tier system. First appeal to Department Appellate Authority. Second appeal to Central State Information Commission. Information Commission: independent bodies at center and state. Penalties: fine up to 25,000 on PIOs for delay, refusal or giving false or misleading information. If public officer gives wrong information, then 25,000 is the penalty. Coverage of NGOs. NGOs substantially financed by government funds are also under RTI. जिन NGO को गवर्नमेंट से फंड मिलता है वो भी RTI के अंडर आते हैं. Overrides OSA, Official Secrets Act. RTI prevails in case of conflict. अगर ऑफिशियल सीक्रेट एक्ट और आरटीआई में कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है तो आरटीआई सुपीरियर रहेगा, आरटीआई प्रिवेल करेगा. सिटीजन चार्टर, ऑब्लिगेशन ऑफ पब्लिक अथॉरिटीज. मीनिंग ऑफ सिटीजन चार्टर: a citizen's charter is a document published by public authority that state the service it provides, the standard of service delivery, the rights of citizen, the remedies available in case of non-compliance. It is based on principle of service to citizen and seek to make administration transparent, accountable and citizen friendly. Origin, citizen charter का origin concept first introduced in UK in 1991 by PM John Major to improve public service delivery in India, introduced in 1997 by Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances. Objectives क्या है इसके? To make administration responsive and accountable to citizens, to ensure time-bound, efficient delivery of service, to empower citizens by informing them of their rights and entitlements, to promote transparency in functioning of government departments, to provide a system of grievance redressal. Obligation of public authorities under Citizen Charter define services clearly. List all services provided by department authority, specify eligibility, procedures, document required. Set service standards, mention time limits, quality standards and cost if any. Example, passport issuance within 30 days, driving license within 7 days. तो ये सारी चीजें मेंशन करना पड़ता है, टाइम लिमिट, क्वालिटी स्टैंडर्ड और कॉस्ट. ट्रांसपेरेंसी एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी, clear disclosure of responsibilities of official, name and contacts of officer responsible for services. Grievance redressal mechanism, establish complaint handling authorities, provide escalation matrix if grievances not resolved in time. Consultation with citizens and stakeholders, citizen feedback in preparing and updating the charter. Continuous improvement, regular monitoring, review and updation of charter, benchmarking and adoption of best practice. जो कोई भी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिस होता है उसके बाहर ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको देनी पड़ती है, इसको सिटीजन चार्टर एक्ट के अंडर बताया गया है. लिमिटेशंस इन इंडिया, मेनी चार्टर आर पुअरली ड्राफ्टेड, वेग एंड अनरियलिस्टिक, नॉन बाइंडिंग, नॉट लीगली एनफोर्सेबल, lack of awareness among citizens, weak monitoring and grievance redressal mechanism. Recent development, Sevottam model developed by DARPG, a framework for effective implementation of citizen charter, grievance redressal and service delivery. Some states have enacted right to public service act. Example, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka. Makes service delivery time bound and legally enforceable. Hurdles in implementation of the act, administrative hurdles, poor record keeping, many departments lack digitalization and proper documentation, delay in replies, the act prescribed 30 days, replies are often delayed, non-cooperation of PIOs, public officers, some officer treat ITI as burden leading to incomplete or evasive replies. Vacancies in information commission, delay in appointments reduces efficiency. Legal and institutional hurdles, 2019 amendment weakened independence of information commission, tenure and salary now determined by government. Excessive exemption, section 8, misuse of clauses relating to national security, cabinet papers, fiduciary relationship to deny informations. ये excuse use करके वो information deny करते हैं. Sanction for prosecution, requirement of government approval delays accountability. अगर किसी को प्रोसिक्यूट करना हो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस को माल प्रैक्टिस के लिए तो पहले सैंक्शन लेना पड़ता है गवर्नमेंट का. सोशल एंड प्रैक्टिकल हर्डल्स, लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस, मेनी सिटीजंस स्पेशली इन रूरल एरियाज अनअवेयर ऑफ देयर आरटीआई राइट्स, इंटिमिडेशन एंड हैरेसमेंट, मेनी आरटीआई एक्टिविस्ट्स हैव फेस्ड थ्रेट्स, अटैक्स और इवन मर्डर. frivolous or malicious application, misuse by some individual for harassment or blackmail. Overburdened system, lakhs of RTI application filed every year, overwhelming the machinery. Political and cultural hurdles, secrecy mindset, government official often treat information as official property rather than citizens right. तो जो हमने बहुत बार ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि जो ऑफिस की इंफॉर्मेशन है ऑफिस में, तो उसको गवर्नमेंट की प्रॉपर्टी समझते हैं rather than citizens right. Lack of political will, government sometimes attempt to dilute the act or resist proactive disclosure. Poor enforcement of penalties, though fines exist for PIOs, they are rarely imposed. That was all for this video. See you in next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.